Hi guys, it's Kat back with another video. I hope you're doing well. So today I didn't know what kind of video I wanted to film, if I was going to film at all, but then I remembered that I have some palettes that I haven't even used yet. I did swatch them in my New Year New Makeup beauty haul, which if you haven't seen I will link it up here, but I am going to use I think one of them at least today. So if you didn't watch that video, I did buy 3 of the EYN collection and one of their brush sets as well. I got the Fiery Matte palette, I got the Berry palette, which I was quite disappointed with, but then I did get the Bright palette as well, and I think this is the one that we're going to use today. But there is also one shade in the matte palette that I want to try out, but these are very bright, not normally what I'd go for, but I'm kind of feeling it today. I really want to use some of these nice bright colours, definitely this Hello Sunshine and a bit of the Hot Stuff, and make them wink and just make it bright. Maybe use a few of these darker bright colours, but mostly just use the brighter colours. And I think these were like really cheap as well. I believe that the £16 eyeshadow palettes were £12. I think it's around there, and then I think the £9 eyeshadow palettes was around £8, I think. I'm not too sure. Everything will be listed in the description box, and all the prices and everything, and also a website over to Beauty Bay to go and check them out yourself, because they're really inexpensive. They have brush sets which I am going to use today. I have used the brushes already and I do like them. I did clean most of my eyeshadow brushes with the electronic brush cleaner that my best friend got me for Christmas. I feel like I'm having a hard time speaking today. I don't know why. So I am actually having another go at the Fenty Beauty foundation today. It does look quite nice on today. I haven't had it on for long and I haven't really done anything except from setting up filming in that, so it does look okay now, but I know when I wore it to work after a certain amount of hours it looked absolutely horrible. So I will try it again, and just to see if it's the same. It probably is the same, but I just want to see if it is. But it does look nice at the moment on camera. It does look nice. So yeah, I have got all my base down, my eyebrows done, and I can't wait to get started and do an eyeshadow look. So we have mattes and shimmer shades in the Bright palette. We have vibrant blues, greens and yellows to matte neutrals. Each shade has a blendable, velvety texture, intense colour, pigment and major staying power. So I do love the fact that these are cruelty free and vegan. These colours look insane. They kind of remind me of some of the colours in the James Charles palette. I think this is like a cheaper version really, except for you don't get many neutrals in here, but you do get some of the brighter colours, so that's quite nice. I mean, if you like his palette just because of the brighter colours, you've got one just here. So if you'd like to see how this look turns out, I have no idea what kind of look I'm going for, just that I'm using the Bright palette, then please just keep on watching. So I don't know what I'm going to start off with. I think I'm going to go in with White Lies and just give myself a nice base and work from there. I love the fact I don't need to get another mirror as I have one here. So I'm just going to apply White Lies onto my eyelids and give it a base. And I'm just going to use my finger for this because I just think it's easier to set it that way. So now that I have applied White Lies, I am just going to do one eye at a time and then go off camera, do the other eye. I just don't know why I got carried away and did the other eye. So we will just be doing one eye. So I'm going to go straight in with Hot Stuff and apply that into the, I think I want to keep it the outer V for now and then see how I like it after. Let's see. It does look a orangey red, but when I don't know, it looks kind of pinky as well, so I'm not sure. And I will be taking it up my eyelid a bit further up. Let's just bring it down a bit to the crease down there. I love this colour. That was just one dip in. I tapped my brush off as well, and yes, absolutely amazing. I love it. So that is very pigmented, so I think I'm going to go in with Make Them Wink, this nice pink shade, and just kind of like blend it in, but maybe focus it more down here and going into the inner eyelid. I don't know. I don't know, but you'll see what I'm doing. I'm sorry if there's a shadow again. My lights are there and I find they're more, I don't know. I've had them there before and it didn't look quite as nice. So that I'm going to stop talking. That's nice colour as well. So I'm dipping in again. So I hope everyone's had a good week. Oh my god, I can't believe it's the end of the week again. Nearly at the end of January. Like, it's gone so fast. It's just so crazy. I love that colour as well. Oh my god, Beauty Bay. Yes. This is so pigmented and... Bam, girl. So now I'm going to go in one of the brushes from this EYN collection, and this is the Blend It Out brush. It's like a pointed blending brush, and I'm going to take a Drama Queen. I'm probably going to mess it up because it is a dark colour. Drama Queen, which is a very dark purple. I'm only going to take a little bit amount and focus it in the outer V, but just the crease area. I'm just going to place it where I want it and then get a blending brush to buff it out. Yeah, so Drama Queen was very hard to blend out. It's still not how I want it to be. It's still just like I've put it there with the brush, but it's not blending out really. Not really anyway, it's like staying. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, so now we're going to go into the Fiery Matte palette, which is another palette from the EYN collection that I just showed you, and I'm going to take this very bright red. This is the Capri DM. I'm just going to add it in with the colour and make it red. I have no idea what I'm going to do. I'm just going to pop it and see if it works. Oh my god, that is so bright. Like, the lines on the camera look really, really harsh, but in the mirror they don't. Next shade I'm going to take is the Hello Sunshine. I'm just going to place that in my inner corner going up where you see the lid space that is available, and see how that looks. So I didn't carve my eye out just because I didn't want, I don't know, I wanted it to be like it's faded into the pink. And I guess I could have done that with it, but I think it's just easier doing this. I'm just going to take a bit more, make them wink, and then blend it in to the Hello Sunshine. I'm loving the colours together. Now I'm going to focus on the bottom lash line. And I feel like going for dark colours. I feel like going for Pacific Dreams and then Oasis here. So the blue and then the green. Maybe, hopefully it would work. Don't know. But I'm going to try it anyway. But so far I'm loving the colours so much. They're so pigmented. I'm just taking Oasis, which is the green shade, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my lower lash. I'm going to Pacific Dreams, the blue shade, and then just blend it where we left off with the Oasis, and then blend it into the inner corner. And then I just took Hello Sunshine and just connected it there. So the darker colours are okay underneath. Maybe I should have kept with the pink and the red and orange theme going down. But I probably would change it if I did it next time with the red and pink following it down under the eye. But I do like it. They're so pigmented. I can't believe, like, really, really nice. I used no eyelid primer, no setting spray. I didn't wet the brushes. This is all just the pigments in the eyeshadow palette. It's absolutely amazing. So I really like that actually. I think that's quite cool and quite bright and in your face. So I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any eyeliner with this eye look. I think it's pretty much very dramatic on its own, so I'm not sure if I do a wing liner. I'll just put probably a bit more mascara on, and then I'll be back with you then, guys. So yeah, be right back. So I've just done my other eye and oh my god, it's so bright. I would not normally wear this. I did go for a bright lip even though I shouldn't really have. It just, there's so much brightness going on. I should have done like a nude lip or something. But I do like it. It's something that I would not normally wear at all. It is very much not me. It's just so bright. So I've kind of like done the same and oh my god, so bright. So it's definitely a palette that I'm going to keep in my collection. I am going to bring it down and put it with all my other ones that I'm going to use more of, because I did store them up with my other palettes that I don't normally use. But I will bring it down and put it over with my other palettes that I do use regular. So I'm really, really surprised about this palette. Like, it was so pigmented. I will definitely use the Hot Stuff, Make Them Wish and the Hello Sunshine again. The orangey red, the pink and then the yellow. I think it would be absolute beauty even without the green and the blue on my lower lash line. I think it would just be absolutely beautiful. So I have obviously got the berry palette as well. It's more neutral shades, little bit of berries in there but not much. So I might do a video on this palette, not sure yet. It's just going to be the same that I normally wear, because I do tend to go for berry shades. So this eye look is very much out of my comfort zone, but I am loving it. So I am definitely going to be doing more of these looks. So yeah. I am loving the brush set that I got from the EYN collection as well. I think it was the Rose Gold 16-piece set. I did apply my foundation with the buffing brush that was in the set, and it did apply really nicely, very smooth, even. You're going to ring your bell, are you? Even coverage, it went on really nice, no streaking or anything. The eyeshadow brushes I love, they're my new favourite at the moment. So yeah, really, really nice products from Beauty Bay. I can't wait to go back over there and purchase some more. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. It's going to be a short video just to show you a look that I created using the Bright palette. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram will be somewhere down here and also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check it out. I do normally post some stuff on there. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.